started in 2022 to bring more operations to Davidson County Airport is in full swing. 3 years later, Atlantic Jet Partners has expanded its workforce through Sky Aircraft Maintenance. It started as a single hangar operation and now is 2 hangars, nearly doubling the capacity while awaiting the completion of a brand new state-of-the-art facility. Atlantic Jet Partners says more than 2,900 flights flew to and from the Davidson County Executive Airport in 2024. As the company grows, there's a demand for the workforce that keeps the jets in the air.
We've grown this business to be able to provide maintenance in this area as a function of, in between New York and Florida, which is a very high traffic area for air charter companies and people that are moving all the time. So it's a great location, great workforce.
Sky Aircraft Maintenance says the expansion will streamline workflows and reduce turnaround times. The company plans to add an additional 50 jobs over the next 2 years, bringing the workforce to nearly 100 employees. Salaries start around $70,000.